I'm in this theater, and let's see what I'm doing. What are you doing? This is a restricted area, you Panda from Monster Legends. You are going to get out of here, or I'm going to punch you. Oh no! Not Lumoona Iwa. She keeps getting me every time. I was talking to the buffalo. I think it's time for me to explode the Nikes now.